A simple ballpoint pen can explode with force equivalent to 1 billion nuclear bombs. But don't worry, it's all about the science behind its humble beginnings. Ballpoint pens have become an essential tool for communication and creativity. But have you ever wondered how they work? The ballpoint pen is a writing instrument that uses a small metal or plastic ball to dispense ink onto a surface. The ball rolls freely on the surface, creating a consistent flow of ink that allows for smooth writing and drawing. But that's not the strangest part. The ballpoint pen is also capable of creating extremely high-pressure forces that can be compared to 1 billion nuclear bombs. To understand how this works, let's take a closer look at the internal mechanisms of a ballpoint pen. The pen consists of a small metal or plastic housing that contains a reservoir of ink and a tiny metal ball. When the pen is pressed onto a surface, the metal ball is forced against the ink reservoir, creating a high-pressure seal that allows the ink to flow. This process is similar to a hydraulic system, where the pressure of the ink is amplified by the small size of the metal ball. But how does this lead to the incredible forces we mentioned earlier? As the metal ball rolls across the surface, but release that's not the enormous amounts of energy, the ballpoint pen is also capable of creating extremely high temperature, extremely flames that reach up to 1 temperature to 1. This energy is released in the form of kinetic force, which is what gives the ballpoint pen its incredible writing and drawing abilities. In fact, scientists have calculated that a single ballpoint pen can release enough energy to blow up a small building. But release that's not the enormous amounts of energy strangest part. The ballpoint pen is also capable of creating extremely high temperature, extremely flames that reach up to 1,000 degrees Celsius. To understand how this works, let's take a closer look at the chemistry behind the ink used in ballpoint pens. The ink is typically a mixture of water, dyes, or pigments, and a solvent that helps it flow smoothly through the metal ball. When the ink is exposed to heat, it can undergo a rapid chemical reaction that releases a large amount of energy. This energy is released in the form of heat, which is what gives the ballpoint pen its incredible writing and drawing abilities. But how does this lead to the incredible forces we mentioned earlier? As the ink is heated, it expands rapidly, creating a high-pressure force that can be compared to 1 billion nuclear bombs. This force is what gives the ballpoint pen its incredible writing and drawing abilities, and it's also what makes it so powerful. So there you have it. The ballpoint pen is a simple yet incredible tool that has been used for centuries to communicate and create. But its incredible forces and high-temperature flames make it a tool that's not to be trifled with. So next time you're writing or drawing with a ballpoint pen, remember the incredible science behind its humble beginnings. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the ballpoint pen. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and comment below.